Hello, and welcome to my team profile generator. My name is Ian Flores. Let's get started. So right now I'm in my team profile generator repository. We're gonna clone the repository, and we're gonna go to a fresh Visual Studio Code and clone it in here. Select the location. Now I'll put it in my desktop. It's cloning. And there we have it. Let's open it up. So here we got our team profile generator. We're going to open up the index.html first. And as you can see, I have some filler content in it for now. That's going to be changed. The way my code works, it updates the already existing index.html to what I want it to be. So we're going to open up our index.js. We're going to open an integrated terminal. We're going to run npm run test. And as you can see, all 4 tests passed. I got my test folder right here with all 4 tests for each employee. So that's great. That passed. So now let's run node index. So it's going to ask you, the first question is going to ask you what your role is. There's 3 roles to choose from: a manager, intern, and engineer. We'll start with intern for testing purposes. So the intern's name is going to be Goku. His ID is going to be 24. His email is going to be goku@email.com. What school did Goku attend? We'll go with UTSA. Would you like to add another team member? Yes, we do. This time we're going to add a manager. The manager is going to be me. The ID is going to be 1. The email, I'm going to put my email. Office number. And it asks you, would you like to add another team member? Hit Y for yes, so we can add another team member. To add an engineer, we'll go with Grady. ID of 25. Email Grady's email at email.com. GitHub username. For testing purposes, I'm going to put my GitHub. So it says, would you like to add another team member? Yes. We'll add another engineer. What is your name? So for the engineer, the next engineer, I'm going to add Trey. His ID is going to be 87. His email is going to be trey@email.com. GitHub username, we'll just go with Trey. We'll add one more team member. We'll add an intern. What is your name? Artie. ID 23. Email artie@email.com. What school did you attend? UTSA. So we're done here. So when it asks, would you like to add another team member? I'm going to hit no. Great. It says you successfully updated index.html, and we have displayed our new manager, which is me, our engineers, which is Grady and Trey, and our intern, Goku and Artie. So if we go to our index, you can see how it looked before at the beginning of the video. Now you can see it's updated with the new staff. So let's open this in our browser. And there we go. We got our 5 cards created with the name, the role, ID, email, and office number for manager, GitHub for engineer, and school for interns. So you can see I have my GitHub for testing purposes. If you click it, it's going to take you to my GitHub profile. If you hit the email, it's going to open up. Let me close this up real quick. It's going to open up my email folder, and you're going to be able to send an email to whichever email you click. So you can see I clicked Grady's email, and you're able to email that person. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.